Hello, and welcome to Cooking with Tara. Today, I'm going to show you how to make hazelnut cocoa cookies, aka power balls, my 8-year-old calls them. They're very good, very filling, and they're great to keep in the car when you go on a long trip. Enjoy. Now that you have all of your ingredients in the bowl, you're going to use your hands and mix it together, and it's going to look like this. Now you can use an ice cream scooper, or you can roll it up with your hands. It doesn't matter. I usually use an ice cream scooper because it comes out in even amounts, even portions, and they're kind of round.